everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep and welcome to this next session with me. I am Saral Nashier and I'll be taking you through, with today's session, that is 100 most expected questions. Today we have part 4 of it, right? So many of you have been a part of the previous sessions as well, the part 1, 2 and 3. Today we have part 4. We'll be discussing questions that can appear in TISSNET or questions which are very relevant from TISSNET's perspective, you can say. And we'll be discussing all these questions here today. So, good afternoon, all about geography. Good afternoon, music core. Very good afternoon, Girish Sonekar. Good afternoon. So, before I start, can you just confirm it to me? Is everything okay? Am I audible and visible to you guys? Hello, Sonal Mishra. Good afternoon. Hi, Akash Agrawal. Very good afternoon, guys. Can you all hear me? Can you all see me perfectly? I hope no issues there. Everything is okay. Yes? Then we'll start with our today's session. So once again, I have some 11, 12 questions that we'll be discussing in this session. And the process would be the same. First, I'll show you the question. You will try it by yourself. And after that, we'll be doing it together. Okay. So let's start then without any delay. Okay. शुरू करते हैं. All is okay. That's great, Sonal. Thank you. Thank you, Parag. चलिए जी स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेट्स सी हु आंसर्स these questions fastest. Keep answering for each and every question in the chat box. I would also like to see कि आप में से कौन जल्दी आंसर दे रहे हैं. So here is the first question for you for today on your screen is here. What is the answer? A question from Time and Work. Dumru has got the answer as D. That is 4.63. Music Core also has answered as D. 4.63. Okay, Sujata has answered as C. 5.43. Sonal Mishra has got D. That is 4.63. Are these TISS PYQs? Not all of them. Some of them are. Some of them are new questions. चलिए जी, I think we can start doing it now. करते हैं. Vinay, Ankush and Navneet can complete a piece of work in 20, 25 and 15 days respectively. So Vinay, Ankush, Navneet. Vinay can do it in 20 days. Ankush can do it in 25 days. And Navneet can do it in 15 days. In such cases, what do we do? You all know this, that we take the work as an LCM of 20, 25 and 15. So what is the LCM of 20, 25 and 15? That is 300. So let us say the work is 300 units. So we can say that Vinay can make 300 by 20, 15 units in a day. Ankush can make 300 by 25, that is 12 units in a day. And Navneet can make 300 by 15, which is 20 units in a day. This is the work that they can do in a day. Now, Vinay and Navneet started working together, but Navneet left after 5 days. So, for 5 days, we can say Vinay and Navneet worked, then Navneet left. He says, and Ankush joined from Vinay, right? Ankush joined Vinay from the 6th day. So, in how many days will it take for the remaining work to be completed? So, now Vinay and Ankush are working. Question says how many days they will take to complete the work. Now, the simple point is Vinay is making 15 units in a day. Navneet is making 20 units in a day. That means they are making 35 units in a day. In 5 days, they must have made 175 units. Total units that they have to make is 300. इसका मतलब विनय एंड अंकुश टुगेदर हैव टू मेक 125 यूनिट्स. विनय कितनी बनाते हैं दिन में 15, अंकुश मेक्स 12, so they are making 27 every day. So if they are making 27 every day and they have to make 125, how many days are they going to take? 125 divided by 27, which is very close to 4.6. So therefore my answer is option D, that is 4.63 is the right answer. Rather, music core even gave the exact number as 125 by 27, and that is the exact answer 4.63. If you solve it, you will get it, right? Simple question. And again, as I've told you previously too, that TISSNET would not be asking you very difficult questions. These kind of questions will make you comfortable with all the questions that appear in TISSNET. I'm sure all of you understood this question number one. I'll move ahead to question number two now. Here is question number two on your screen now. So a question from geometry now. Music core has got C as the answer, which is 54 degrees. Sonal Mishra also got C, which is 54. Akash Agrawal has got A, 36 degrees. Okay. Two people have got 54. One person has got 36. I think we get started now. A triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with its center at point O. Two tangents are drawn at point B and C. which intersect at point P. If BAC is 72, find the value of angle PBC. Rulia is also getting A, so let's check what is the correct answer. Let me make the figure here first. ठीक है, एक मैं figure बना देता हूँ. So first of all, he says there is a circle. So पहले एक circle बना लेते हैं इस तरह का. Okay. So हाँ जी. In which I have to make a triangle now. So पहले एक triangle भी बना लेता हूँ. So here is the triangle that I can make. Okay. So ये एक मान लीजिए मैंने triangle बना दिया है. Okay. So here is the triangle. And now he says that two tangents are also drawn. So let's say one of the tangents is like this, right? तो ये एक tangent हो गया हमारे पास. And then let me draw another tangent. So another tangent is like this. Okay. तो ये भी एक दूसरा tangent. हाँ जी. ठीक है. I'm sure this all is visible easily to you. मतलब वैसे थोड़ा बनाना मुश्किल हो जाता है. So I always try by this method here. Okay. Shivanshu Chaudhary has got the answer as B. चलिए, now let's give it a name. So it says center of the circle is O and a triangle is formed that is A, B, C. So on this point a tangent is drawn, on this point a tangent is drawn, right? Which intersect at point P. So this is point P. He says if BAC is 72, so this angle is given to us as 72 degrees. Find the value of PBC. So this angle we have to find out that how much is this angle. So first of all, if I join B with O and O with C, can I say this angle is 144 degrees? इसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं होगा. Angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. So on the circumference you have an angle of 72. That means here you have double of that angle 144. Now look at this triangle OBC. Look at triangle OBC. In triangle OBC, angle O is equal to 144 degrees. Can I say angle B and angle C should be equal? Right? Because they are opposite the radius. This is OC is the radius, OB is the radius, तो सामने वाले एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. So they both would be 180 minus 144 का half, that is 18 degrees each. So this angle would be 18, this angle would be 18. Also I know that angle OBP is equal to 90 degrees. Angle formed by the center with the tangent is 90 degrees. इसमें से इधर वाला 18 हो गया. So what is this required angle? This is 90 minus 18. 72 degrees is the right answer for this question. And the first correct answer is given by Shivanshu Chaudhary. The right answer for the question is 72 degrees. 72 degrees is absolutely correct. I hope this is clear to all now. समझ आ गया होगा, there is no doubt. The property first that we have used is angle formed at the center is twice the angle formed at the circumference. Second, opposite sides के सामने जो angle होते हैं they are also equal. So OB and OC are equal, so the opposite angles are also equal. And third, that OB makes an angle of 90 degrees with the tangent. उसमें से OBC is equal to 18, उसको minus कर देते हैं. 90 minus 18 we get PBC, and that PBC is 90 minus 18, 72 degrees. B option is the right answer. Unfortunately, एक ही ठीक आंसर मिला शिवांशु की तरफ से. No one else gave the right answer, but I'm sure that all of you understood that what is the right solution. I'll move ahead to question number 3 now. Here is question number 3 for all of you on the screen. It's an easy question. Let me see how many of you answer this correctly. No answer yet. Jaydev has got the answer as B, 4000. Shweta Shukla has got B. Rishabh Sharma also got 4000. Aditya Gupta has got 4000. Akash is 5500. So got a few answers. Let's start doing it. Let's check which one of the following is correct. Chali. Two equal sums are lent at the same time at 6% and 5% SI. Sum at 5% is received 24 months later than the sum at 6%. The amount in each case is 2400. Find the total sum of money lent initially. See, one amount is X rupees, second amount is X rupees. This is at 6%, this is at 5%. So this is received after T years, but this is received after T plus 2 years because it is received after 24 months. So the amount plus principal plus interest is equal to 2400. The principal plus interest is equal to 2400. Question is saying find the total sum of money lent initially, that means X plus X. If final amount is 2400 plus 2400, that is 4800, can I say initial amount must have been lesser than that? So by that logic, I could have straight away eliminated option A and C, isn't it? A और C तो सीधे ही हट गए ना उससे, because if 5000 or 5500 were the original amount, so after adding interest they would have become more. I am saying they would have become total 4800 only. So how is that possible that I have 5000 or 5500? वो तो सीधे हट जाते हैं. Now you can check with any one of the two options, 4000, 3000. 4000 satisfy करे तो वो आंसर है, ना करे तो दूसरा आंसर है. Let's say it is 4000. So initially they must have been 2000 each, right? Now 2000 पे 6% is 120. Here the interest is 120 for 1 year. Here the interest is 100 for 1 year. So here we have got a total interest of 400, which means after 4 years, right? Here we should have got an interest after 2 years then. In 2 years the interest becomes 240, but I need an interest of 400. So that does not satisfy. So option B is also gone. My answer has to be option D. I don't know how come nobody gave the right answer to this question, right? Let me check that as well. एक बार वो भी check करके बताता हूँ. D option. If this was 1500, this was also 1500. 6% of 1500 is equal to 90. 5% of 1500 is equal to 75. Here the interest is 400. Here, sorry, 900. And here also the interest is 900. So here we got an interest of 900 in how many years? 10 years. And 900 at the rate of 75, it is in 12 years, which satisfies that we got the interest here 2 years later than this interest, that satisfies. So therefore option D, that is 3000, is the right answer. Of course, we could have made the equations as well. कि x plus x का 6% for t years, this is equal to 2400, and x plus x का 5% for t plus 2 years, that is also equal to 2400. Two equations and two variables x and t I could have solved, but I think options were so easy for us that we could have easily used it to answer the questions. Okay. Did the mistake took 1200 instead of 120? Okay, okay, okay. Common mistake होती है कई बार. Yes, everyone, I am sure that you have understood this question. I'll move ahead now from question number 3 to question number 4. Here is question number 4 for all of you on the screen. Music core has got C, Jaydev has got C, Sonal Mishra has got C, and that's real fast. Shivanshu has got C, Jaydev has got the answer. Okay. Shweta has got C. Yes, the right way of doing this question, I think, is straight away taking the numbers. Product of two numbers is 120. What comes to your mind? 12 and 10 हो सकते हैं, 15 and 8 हो सकते हैं, 24 और 5 sorry 24 और 5 हो सकते हैं, 20 और 6 हो सकते हैं. There are many ways. He says the difference of the numbers is 14. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 7. Here it is 19. Here the difference is 14. So 20 और 6 ही है. So sum of these squares is 20 square plus 6 square, that is 436. Option C is the right answer. I don't think there is anything needed in this question to be discussed, right? Anyways, music core, Jaydev, Sonal, Shivanshu, Shweta, Rishabh, सभी का आंसर सही आया है. That is option C. Simple question to be done by this method, in my opinion. I'll move ahead to question number 5 now. Here is question number 5 for you. Music core has got the answer as D now. Once again, very fast. Sonal Mishra got D. Rishabh Sharma has got D. Aditya got D. Sujata has got D. Let's do this. Find the probability of selecting a red card or a 6 from a pack of 52 cards. So how many red cards are there? The number of red cards is 26, or a 6. How many sixes are there? Though there are 4 6s, but out of those 4, 2 have already been counted in the red ones. So I have 2 more red cards, sorry, sixes apart from the red cards. 2 sixes are already counted in the red cards. So red card or a 6 is possible in 28 ways out of 52 cards. So the probability is 28 by 52, और 4 से cancel out कर देते हैं, 7 by 13. So option D is the right answer for this question. Yes, later on Girish, Shivanshu and Sonal, they have also given the right answer. That's the correct answer, 7 by 13. Simple question. So last two questions have been real simple. I'll move ahead to question number 6. Akash has given the answer as B. Music core has given the answer as B. Okay. Vaman has given the answer as D. Okay. Shivanshu got B. Should we do it now? करते हैं. ठीक है. क्या कहता है question? The question says find the difference between each interior angle of a regular polygon of 12 sides and that of a regular polygon of 15 sides. Let's calculate that. When I talk about 12 sides, it is 12 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by 12, n minus 2 into 180 by n, that is the straight formula. It is 10 into 180 divided by 12. 12 will cancel it out at 15. 15 into 10 is 150 degrees. But when I talk about a 15-sided polygon, it is 15 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by 15. That is 13 into 180 divided by 15. 15 will cancel it out at 12 and 12 into 13 is 156. The difference between the two is 6 degrees. So my answer for the question is option B, that is 6 degrees. Again a simple question to be done, है ना? बहुत आराम से हो जा रहा था. I am sure this is clear to all of you now. So the right answer for question number 6 is option B, that is 6. So the last 3 questions have been real easy. First 3 were a little difficult more than that. So I'll move ahead from here to question number 7. Here is question number 7 on your screen now. Shivanshu Chaudhary got the answer as A. Any other answer apart from that of Shivanshu? Rishabh Sharma got the answer as B. Okay. Shivanshu got A, Rishabh has got A, sorry, B. It's a slightly lengthy question with respect to the last few questions. Sujata also has got B. So I think we should start doing it now. करते हैं. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So of course I can say sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, that is minus 17. And product of the roots is equal to c by a, that is equal to 19. Find the equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. So alpha square and beta square, that means I need sum of the roots and I also need product of the roots. Product of the roots is easy. It is alpha into beta whole square. Alpha into beta is 19. So alpha beta whole square is 361. What about alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 17. So minus 17 whole square is 289 minus 2 into alpha beta, that is 2 into 19, 38. 38 को इसमें से minus करोगे तो you will get 251. So if I have sum of the roots, I have product of the roots. The equation is written as x square minus sx plus p is equal to 0. So x square minus 251x plus 361 is equal to 0. So option A should be the right answer. Probably many of you got 251 and 361 correctly, but you forgot कि 251 अगर plus का आ रहा है, the equation is x square minus sx. Then that 251 will come with a negative sign there. Though the product of the roots will always remain with the positive sign. There you don't have a problem. लेकिन sum of the roots में आप जो है sign change करते हैं. Equation is x square minus sx plus p. It is not x square plus sx plus p. वो नहीं होता. Okay. So that was question number 7. I am sure that this is clear to all. I'll move ahead from here to question number 8 now. Here is question number 8 on your screen now. Sujata has got the answer as D, 18 km per hour. Just one answer we have got till now, that is from Sujata. Namrata has got B, Anuj has got B, Rishabh has got B. चलिए तो करना शुरू करते हैं. Suddenly we got 3 more answers. So the ratio of upstream to downstream speed is in a ratio of 4 is to 7. And he says the boat can travel a distance of 96 upstream in 8 hours. If you travel 96 kilometers in 8 hours, your speed is 12 kilometer per hour for sure. And that 12 kilometer per hour is actually the upstream speed. So if the upstream speed is 12 and the ratio is 4 is to 7, I can say downstream speed is 21, right? It is 3 times of 4, so it also should be 3 times of 7. So if upstream speed is 12, that is 3 times of 4, downstream speed should be 21, which is 3 times of 7. Then find the speed of the boat. There is a simple method to do that. The speed of the boat is actually given by upstream plus downstream divided by 2, that is 16.5, and speed of the river is given by downstream minus upstream divided by 2, that is 4.5. So always remember this for future references as well. If you have upstream speed and downstream speed, add them, divide by 2, speed of the boat, subtract them, divide by 2, speed of the river. Question is asking you speed of the boat, that is 16.5 here. So my answer would be option B, which is correctly given by Namrata Chaudhary, Anuj Vashisht, Rishabh, Sonal, Music Core, Kunika. काफी लोगों ने ठीक आंसर दिया. That's the right answer for question number 8. I'm sure it is understood now. I'll move ahead from here to question number 9. Here is question number 4 of you on your screen now. Very simple question, I think. Saikat has got the answer as C. Oh, इसका तो आंसर दे ही रखा है. I'm really sorry. Okay. The answer is already given. Looks like I have not been able to do that. Okay. Yes, the answer is already given. So there is no point discussing it. So log 8 to the base 2. Log 8 to the base 2 means what power of 2 is 8? Of course, that is 3. So if you put 3 over here, you will get log 81 with base 3. So what power of 3 is 81? It is 4. So my answer is straight away 4. Anyways, the answer is given. So there is no point discussing that. Okay. आगे बढ़ जाते हैं सीधा. Question number 10. ये रहा question number 10. It's a good question. Let me see how many of you answered this correctly. And the answer is not displayed this time. Saikat has got the answer as C. Okay. Music Core has got the answer as C. We got two answers till now. Both of them are C. BK Panda is also saying C. Sonal Mishra is saying C. Simran has got C. Chaliye, I think we can start discussing it now. So set A is X where X is a multiple of 6. So basically you can say if this is set A, it has got all multiples of 6. Set B is X where X is a multiple of 8. So if this is set B, it has got all multiples of 8, right? So the multiples of 6 and 8 both, they would lie in this area. So 6 would come here, 12 would come here, 18 would come here, but 24 is a multiple of both, it would come here. Then 30 would come here, 36 would come here, 42 would come here, 48, which is a multiple of 8, would come here. Multiples of 8 like 8, 16, 24 यहाँ आ गया. Then 32, 40, 48 यहाँ आ गया. देन 56, 64 ऐसा करके आते रहेंगे, 72 फिर से यहां आ जाएगा. दैट वेज दे आर गोइंग ऑन. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a माइनस बी यूनियन बी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज a माइनस बी? a में से b को हटा दो. सो अल्टीमेटली दिस कंप्लीट पोर्शन is of a minus b. Okay, this complete portion here is a minus b. तो ये मेरे पास एरिया आ गया a minus b का. And union b, now b is this complete area, right? b तो ये पूरा सर्कल है ही है. So if I just add this area into this complete area, what am I getting? Am I not getting a union b, right? आई एम स्ट्रेट अवे गेटिंग ए यूनियन बी. ए में से बी वाला पोर्शन हटा दिया और फिर बी ऐड कर लिया. सो अल्टीमेटली आई एम गेटिंग ए यूनियन बी. सो इफ आई एम गेटिंग ए यूनियन बी कंप्लीट, so which option is my answer? Option A is not my answer, B is not my answer, C has got 10 12, ये तो पार्ट ही नहीं है किसी भी पाउस का, तो ये भी मेरा आंसर नहीं है. My answer would be this because it contains all multiples of 6 and all multiples of 8 including the multiples of both. So option C is the right answer for us. Because option C contains A union B, that means all multiples of 6 and all multiples of 8. I'm sure this is clear to all. Answer C is the right answer. And once again, I see that Music Core, BK Panda, Saikat, Sonal, Simran, Shivanshu, Anuj, sabhi ne sahi answer diya hai. So looks like there is no problem to anyone. I'll move ahead to question number 11 now. Here is question number 11 for all of you. Looks like very easy. I want to see who answers this fastest. बस मैं ये देखूंगा चैट बॉक्स में सबसे पहले कौन आंसर कर रहा है इस क्वेश्चन को. वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. So who's the first person to answer this question number 11? Would like to see that. Rishabh Sharma is the first person to answer. He says B14. Music Core is the second one to answer. He says B14. Shivanshu Chaudhary also has got B14. Saikat has got B14. Rulia has got B14. Then BK Panda got B. Very simple, very, very simple, isn't it? Shweta got C. Aditya got B. Okay. The average of 5 consecutive integers is 12. So 5 numbers are there, their average is 12. That means the middle number is 12. So there are 2 numbers above this because they are consecutive. There are 2 numbers below this because they are consecutive. So ultimately I can say the numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Find the largest integer among them. The answer is B14. The first answer was given by Rishabh Sharma. Later on, बहुत सारे लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया है. गिरीश नम्रता चौधरी ने भी ठीक आंसर दिया है. That's great. That was question number 11. Probably extremely easy, right? Nothing to be discussed. We move on to the last question of the day, question number 12. Another very easy question. Let me see who answers this fastest. फिर से बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. बस ये देखना है सबसे पहले कौन आंसर करता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का. Extremely easy question. Sonal Mishra is the first person to say B. Okay. I think Sonal is answering for the previous question, not for this one. Rishabh Sharma once again gave the first answer as C. Then Shivanshu Chaudhary, then Music Core, then Jaydev. They all have given the answer as C. Sonal Mishra, yes. BK Panda has got C. Aditya Gupta has got C. That's great, guys. 3 is the correct answer. Simple si baat hai. 3 to the power 13. Whenever the power is of the type 4k plus 1, the unit digit remains same. It does not change. So my answer is option C, which is equal to 3. I repeat, whenever the power is a multiple of 4 plus 1, the unit digit remains the same. It does not change. That is question number 12 for all of you. The last question of the day. So that was all about today, guys. Now a little bit about our CAT program, right? We do have comprehensive program for CAT 2023 preparation. If any one of you is preparing for CAT 23, we do have batches for that, right? In those programs, we provide you the learning tablet, the classroom sessions, practice questions, mock tests, recorded lectures. There are a lot many things that you will get to know. You will get for your preparation. I am sure that it's a comprehensive program. You don't need anything else apart from this if you are preparing well enough. Okay. And to help you with that, we are also having this scholarship test on 18th of February at 7 p.m., where through this test you can get up to 90% scholarship for these programs, right? And on 14th of February, that is tomorrow on Valentine's Day at 7 p.m., Srinivas sir will be there to talk with you about how to get 99 percentile in CAT 2023. For that, you have to go to the BYJU'S Exam Prep app, and there you can register for this session. I'm sure this is going to be a wonderful session and pretty useful for you. If you are writing Maharashtra CT exam, we are having a open mock for that from 11th to 19th of February. Do take benefit of it. These kind of free mocks are always helpful for you, right? We are also available on all these media handles, guys, right? In सब पे भी हम लोग available हैं. That's all from my side for today. Thank you very much. जल्दी मिलेंगे next class में with the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care, guys. Okay? Bye. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.